Today I'm here to show you how to set up access control, people, and cards. So the first thing you want to do is go to people and cards at the top there. You can add a group or organization if you'd like. I'll put an access demo here. It's sort of a subgroup, so you can do like finance or accounting, that sort of thing. Once you've chosen that, you want to click add to choose where you're going to add the person, and then you can add the person at the top here. You can put in a person's name, you can choose their gender, you can fill out a whole bunch of other information there if you need it, but it's not necessary. The next you want to go to card. So you're going to be able to add your card, and once you choose that, you can do manual if you already know the card number, or you can choose any card enrollment if you have one. You can choose the card type, which is normal or weekend. Normal is RS-45, weekend is what we normally will use. You can also then choose right from the access controller, so you choose which reader it is, and then you just can tap the card up against the machine. So I'll tap the card there we go, and then it will come up and that card is added for that person. So you can just hit OK. You can see the cards added to that person. Hit OK, and then we're going to go to schedules and templates. This is where we'll be able to set up restrictions on when cards can be accessed or when they won't. So we'll set up a new schedule here, say working hours. And what this will do is we can restrict it to only when the working hours are there for like the sales staff in an office, for instance. So I can choose the staff's only going to be in between 9 and 6. So I've set my time, or if you want, we can adjust that time. So let's say I want to put it at 7:55. I can do that. Or if I wanted to, I could try and move it up, but you can't quite go above 00. You'd have to move it to the 8 o'clock to move it up. Otherwise it won't save it to anything below 59. You can then hit copy to week, and it will copy it to every day, and then you can adjust it down to each, if there's any specific days that you don't want to have access. There we go, there's a small mistake there, I forgot to hit OK. Alright, so once you save that, you can also put in a remark, so this will be just a quick reminder for you to remember what that's for. Then we'll go to template. So template is sort of where you'll use different schedules for different roles. If you have two different apartments, that you might have the same time frame but different door access. So you create a template. We'll put working hours in here again. And then this time you're going to choose your new schedule that you had made, and that shows you your times. Just remember that if you don't have access at a certain period, for instance, like where you have the blank spots on either side, that means that you have absolutely no access. The cards won't work at that time. So just remember that. So next we're going to add the permissions. So now that we've set the schedules, we can tell the software who has what schedule. So we'll set office staff as a permission. The template's going to be our working hours that we set up. So then I can choose the department, or I can choose the staff members that will match that requirement, and then what doors they have access to. So anything that's on the right hand side has been added. So you have to click the little right arrow there to add it, and then once you've added them, you hit apply, and it will copy it down to the system. It's applied, and the people are now added to the system. So we can now confirm that it's working. So if we go to our status monitor, you'll see all these tries of the same card that weren't working because we didn't have permissions downloaded. So now I'm going to go tap a card, and there we go. So you can see that there's a legal card authentication. It passed. That means the card's working. It will give you a bit more details for every person that's been added, so tell you who it is, what department they're in. That's all you need to do to add people for the card access control. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, click like. If you want to see more, click subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.